Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add folders to your folder favorites in the Adobe Bridge folder and file organizer in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Launch Adobe Bridge on your desktop computer. I'm on my Windows 11 computer for that. And what you want to do after that is in Adobe Bridge is make sure that you're logged into your Adobe account, click into folders at the top, and you may expand this menu to the left to navigate to the folder or subfolder on your device. Of your connected device. Here in the overview we'll see the folders of the selected section of your device. So what you want to do, guys, is left click into the given folder, and next click into file here in the top left, and you will see this option here at the top, add to favorites, and then it will be added to that favorites list, so that you may right click into it if you don't want to see it in that list and remove it from there, or use this list here to navigate to your favorites folders without using that menu here, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.